Hello everyone again. Teresa here at Carolina Girl Wreaths. Today I'm excited because I learned how to make a bow by hand. Super easy, beautiful, gorgeous big bow. And some of you all may already know, but I'd like to show you how I do it. And I am tickled to death that I learned. So here we go, really simple. I'll try to make it simple and fast. And first of all, thank you everyone who's joining me, who caught me, who maybe run up on me, and my faithful subscribers. Thank you all. Okay. So first you're going to start off with, I chose 4 different ribbons. You're going to need 4 different ribbons. Now this is just for a 4-loop one. You can use as many as you want, but 4 is what I chose to do. So here's my 4 ribbons I've chose. Oh, look at that pretty blue and white stars, red and white stars, red, white, and blue stars, and then kind of beige with. Okay, so what you want to do, just simply, and mine's already been cut. Cut each ribbon. And by the way, you're going to have 4 ribbons, 2 of each. 2 of each ribbon. 2 pieces of each ribbon. So you're going to cut each piece at 24 inches, which I've already done. Okay? And fold it in the center, making it. Okay? Then you're just going to want to take on your mat, or whatever you got to measure with. Go to the 5-inch mark. And it's going to pinch it there. Pinch it there. Hold it in your hand. By the way, I'm working with canvas ribbon and a little bit of polyester. Okay, so pinch it to 5-inch. And the reason why 5-inch, I know you say, well, why not halfway, Teresa? Well, this is going to give it the tails, the more fuller tails. Okay, so we're going to take the next one, which is our red. Measure it 5. Now I'm left-handed, so I got to twist mine around. Grab it, put it on top of the other one, just like that. Okay. And we're going on to, and this is one reason I can't handle no more than 4, guys. I can't hold much in my hands because it hurts so bad. But I'm sure a lot of you all experience that pain and arthritis. But okay, our next one, 5 inches. Pinch it off, put it on top. So see, I'm just rotating the different kinds of ribbons. Looking like that. And then our last piece is going to be pretty tan. Okay, 5 inches. Pinch it off and put it on. Okay, so if you follow me that far, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the second ones, okay? Remember, you got 2 of each kind, okay? Okay, so here's my next batch, the second ones. And where I had my first ones waiting, you can do, if you have a Bodabra, this helps my hands put the first set in there, or you can hold all these together. It's however best you can do it. So we're just going to take the ones I had waiting on, and I'm going to put all these together. Best way you can hold them, just all together in between your thumb and fingers, because we're going to go. So you have this big old bouquet, Patriotic ribbons. Okay, now this is up to you here too. You can use pipe cleaners, but I'm going to secure them, I'm going to put this zip tie around them. If you have any of these, which helps, this helps me better secure it. Let's see. Here we go. Of course, you want to push it to the back. I need to find didn't get my little pliers out for this. But get it as tight as you can. Okay. Alrighty. Like I say, you can use the pipe cleaners, but actually I'm going to put my pipe cleaners on too. So, because this is a big, the texture of these ribbons are kind of heavy, thick. So I'm taking my pipe cleaner also. I'm going to put it around here where I did the zip tie. Cut my zip tie off some. Okay, couple of twists here. About 4, 5 good ones. Okay, now she's a mess right now, but okay. So what I'm going to do, now if you're familiar with ducktails, you may want to ducktail them up, or you can slant them cutwise, however you want to. So when you get through, I usually just go through and do mine now, but I'll save some time there and come back to that. So here she is when you get through. She looks like this, okay? So all you're simply going to do is take each loop, work them out. Go around, keep working them out. Let's see, this one's a little thinner. And yeah, we just had Memorial Day, so wow, 4th of July is just in a few weeks. Back to back. But when I saw this, I was tickled to death. I actually caught a couple. I watch tutorials too, guys, because I still learning stuff. And I've just the people just. Oh, that's why I'm so thankful for my subscribers and the people. There are nice people still left in this world. I mean, and they're even if it's on the other end of a camera. I thank you all that's took time to be with me. I'll never be as good as some of these. Well, I tell you, I try, y'all, and it's just thank you for being part of my little life doing this. So see what I'm doing here? I'm just working her all out. Now, you do how you want, like I always say. New ones, if you're watching me, you do what you like, what you like best. How you can handle something best. You may even come up with, after watching this, your own way. Something similar to what I've showed you, but the goal is just get her how you want her looking. Okay, so there so far. Look at that. Ain't she pretty? She is pretty. She is pretty. Now, when we get these tails done, I'm going to just cut them, ducktail them all. And when I say ducktail, if anybody's new, you just simply fold your ribbon at the end here. And you just cut on the, let's see, outer edge. Let's see, sorry. Fold it at the end. And I was taught to cut on the side that's open of the ribbon. And just give it a slant. There's one of your little ducktails. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut them and finish her up for the finish. Alrighty. Okay, everyone, so here's all our tails cut. And to make sure you got them all, you're going to have 16 tails when you get through cutting your little tails. So there's going to be 16 because you've got 8 ribbons. So here's one thing I do too when I'm going to form her and make her shine. Just take her, I lay mine here like this. Just lay her down on the table with some of her tails out. How's that, everyone? And I just start working with your tails. You'll just pull them out and separate them all. Separate them. Twist them so they'll be going the right side up. Just twist them out. First it takes, it's like, wow, I can't get these out. But you will. Just sit her down like a, you get them all out. See, I'm just taking them out like this, making sure all the right sides are up instead of turned over. sure you've got them all pulled apart. Okay, make sure they're all pulled apart now. This is going to be going on a Patriotic wreath that I'm going to be doing soon. Maybe another one of my tutorials. I'm trying to think what kind of method I'd like to use. Okay, so like I said, it takes a while for this, but or maybe it's just me. You might be a lot faster than me. Just making sure every tail is turned over side up. A lot of tails, but and then when you do this, you just want to make sure that you have kind of, you know, different, like you don't want the same two colors together if you can help it. Try to space them out to where you're going to have, you know, just different. And if you can help it. But if you can't, it's all good. It's all good anyway, because it's a big, beautiful bow. Super easy. About to get it here, okay? She looks like a patriotic squid sitting down here in front of me. Okay, and then I've got them all down out. That helps that. And then just continue with your bow part. Get it back all fluffed up the way you want it. Like I said, it may take you a while to get it how you want it, but I just was amazed how simple. I mean, because it really does look like one of these bows you see on packages in stores or okay, so here she is. Can you see her here? All of her tails are, okay, big old bow. So I'm calling her my 8-layer Patriotic design bow. And then when you put her on the wreath, of course, you know she's going to be, you know, like, got her backwards. Okay, there we go. Just beautiful big loops. And that's the goal of this one, beautiful big loops. Okay, let me put her somewhere better so you can see her. So here she is. That's how she's going to let you get her on your wreath. And I have seen packages like that in the store with a big old bow. So I hope you really like her, guys. And like I say, you can make more loops, less loops, but just remember that you'll have 24-inch strips, whatever you choose, and 2 of each ribbon that you choose. Excuse me. And remember to just fold and pinch them at 5 inches. Okay, guys. This Carolina weather. I'm sorry. But everyone, thank you for watching today. And if you like this bow, make you one. Okay? I bet it'll be gorgeous. So until next time, happy bow making. Bye-bye.